Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Angeli Alliya Ramadhan and I'm from class 6B1 in English Education of Muhammadiyah Tangerang. This video I made to fulfill middle exam. The subject is microteaching. Okay, in the microteaching, it's talking about in the video that already shared. It's talk about scaffolding literacy. Reading activity is an activity that is very common in learning activities, okay? And then for scaffolding itself, it means initial reconstruction. So from the explanation, learning scaffolding literacy is a process for students to form an initial framework from what they have read so that they can analyze it further and in more depth. Okay, there is some point that I already got. There is 5 points. The first point is about teaching media. That I say the teachers use learning media such a paper containing forms that will be filled by students. Then the teacher also use the blackboard and a piece of paper for describe one of the keywords that will be developed into more detailed explanation. And the teacher also have a novel that has become a choice for analysis students, and teacher also choose a novel theme that's quite confident to students and can follow and they enjoy it. The second is skimming. When the teacher give instructions to the skimming, they will focus to the vocabulary only. The teachers also choose this segment to be a group for pair because it can support many except for students, like how they speak, can they develop speaking skills, reading skills, and then about thinking skills, of course. The number 3 is reading, thinking, talking, and writing. That is like circumstances. Is a learning patterns that is written on scaffolding literacy. Students ask to their reading first. After reading, they thinking. After thinking what they have that they already read, they talking. After they talking to the partner. After talking, and they start to writing the result into the paper. Number 4 is strategy gates. This strategy teacher used to instruct students to pause while they are reading that track their through as they read. This used to give time for students to think what they have read. After they think, they can try to digest the vocabulary they have read. They try to think, and this technique can also be called passing pause time. And number 5 is learning outcomes. Students will have the confidence to read and digest the novels they have read. The students can solve the problem and doing papers that teacher gave to them. Okay, that's for 5 points that I got after I see the video, guys. Okay, what I already can learn in the video, I want to make some circumstances of class is feel comfortable so students can feel more about what the novel that I have read, so they can try to analyze the novel with a good feels. So I already see in the video, I see the students can be more confident to read and digest the novel they have choose. So that's my video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.